Hello, fellas. I'm away today at a funeral of a long-time friend, but you'll be able to go on with the work outline. Those of you who are in Maths Enhancement, you will now do this column here, which is the advanced column. So we're moving on to chapter 3, again, number skills, but we're looking at factors and multiples. The rest of us will be doing the standard column unless we've made other arrangements. So this morning you're either doing standard column or the advanced column. So factors and multiples, there's a bell going, which is chapter 3, 3A. You go to the text, you'll find page 112, 3A. I want you to read through that and then getting some ideas. Factors of a number are numbers that go exactly into another number. Factors. So the factors of 10 would be 5, 2, 1 in itself, generally not considered to be factors. Multiples are numbers that we could consider like the tables, 5 times table, 6 times table, so on and so on. So what you'll be doing is these questions. There are some examples here of how to answer them, so you go through those. You've got the examples there and then how to do them. There's multiple examples. Then you can go and do the questions that you're asked for. So that's starting at 3A. You're working through those. 3A, you're doing questions 2 to 5. That half, of course, means that you do half. So if you've got a column here in 3A, you do half. So you do half, starting with question 2. You've got 1, 2, 3, got 9, so you could do 4 of those, or the first 2 columns. Here, you can do half of them. Question 5, you can do A and B, or you can do A and C. You can choose that like we did last time. Then questions 6 to 8, advanced to doing 7 to 9. 10 and 11, and advanced enhancement students have got the extra one to do there. Then if you happen to get those finished, we'll be looking at 3B. So it's 3A mostly for this morning, looking at factors and multiples. And if you finish that, you can go on to 3B. If you have a look at some of these problem-solving ones, consider a set of whole numbers from 1 to 25 inclusive. Which number has the most factors? Which number has the fewest factors? Fewest factors would be a prime number because it has only itself and 1, so a number like 13, whereas a number like 15 would have 5 and 3, number like 20 would have 4, 2, 5, 10, number like 19 has only itself and 1. Which number has an odd number of factors? Well, you can work this out. Express each of these following numbers as a product of 2 factors. That means you're going to 192. What do you multiply by itself to get 192? 192. So you think about that. All right then, fellas, I think you can work your way through that, okay?